Anything else? Okay, I'm proceeding. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. No, sir. Yesterday we discussed one question. Find this value. 2 plus 1 into 2 square plus 1. 2 power 4 plus. Suppose if I'm given like this. Into this one also. By 2 power 33. Once again, see carefully. How to find this? No, maybe one or two students may be confusing. That's why I'm explaining.
Okay, sir.
So this one how to solve here into 1 I wrote to 1. Because the value doesn't change into 1. So in the place of 1 I can write 2 minus 1. Remaining part is 1. So here what is the logic is there? A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Formula is this one. So like that here, A minus B into A plus B, how much? A square minus B square. Remaining as is 1. Two power 8 plus 1. 2 power 16 plus 1. Again divided by 2 power 33. So this one how to write again? A plus B into A minus B. That is 2 square whole square minus 1. That is 2 power 4 minus 1. So continuing this process, what is the result is coming? See carefully. So this one is how much? 2 power 8 minus 1. Again A plus B into A minus B. 2 power 16 minus 1. What about this result? So 2 power 16 minus 1. A minus B into A plus B. So I can use same formula. So that is 2 power 32 minus 1 plus 1 as usual. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. 2 power 32 by 2 power 33. How to write? So answer is coming 1 by 2. Like that. Take the screenshot if it is possible. Take the screenshot also. Now 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square is equal to 10 square. How much? 385. If then find. Anyone solving this question? Anyone solving this question? Just raise your hand. Anyone get this one? It's a very funny question. See. Sum of the, how to read this one condition? Sum of the squares of these first 10 natural numbers is given 385. Then they are asking what is the value of 2 square plus 4 square and so on up to 20 square. Okay, right answer. It's very easy. Since This is nothing but given this value. Okay. Now 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square and so on 20 square. So dear students, see 2 square means how to write? 1 square into 2 square. 4 means how to write? 2 square into 2 square. 6 square. How to write? 2 square into 3 square. Continue this process. 20 square, how to write? Like that. Same procedure. 10 square means, 20 square means 10 into whole square. This can be written as like, what you are observing from each and every term, one number is common. What is that? Anyone?
2.
2 square, sir.
Yes, 2 square. Fantastic. Say, taking 2 square as a common factor. What are the remaining values? Tell me.
1 square plus 2 square
Huh?
plus 3 square,
And so on up
so
to
on. 10 square.
what is the value of
2
2 square?
square into
2 square is how much?
4, sir. 4.
But what is the value
4
of this
square.
one?
4 into 385.
Can I write 385? That is the answer. Tell me after write on. How much is coming? Tell me. 4 into 385 is how much? Write on. All of you keep in silent mode. Yeah. Silent mode. Tell me what is the answer? 4 in 4 times 385. What is the answer? 4 into 385. After writing, so tell me.
1540, sir.
Okay, good. If anyone completed, just raise your hand. Okay, I can proceed. Oh, Anushri completed. Good, yeah. Now see, we are discussing one important problem. This is the formula. How to find 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on. N minus 1 plus n, this one. Is equal to how much? N into n plus 1 by formula. How to read this one?
The sum of
the-
first natural n.
sum of the first n natural numbers. Do you know proof? What is the advantage? This one they're asking 1 plus and 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on up to 100. Like that they're asking. How to find? With the help of this formula. Today we are discussing. First, let me give proof. Then we discuss what type of problems you can expect in competitive exams. See. So this value, suppose I'm taking let yes. This value. And minus 1 plus yeah. See, 1 plus 2 plus 3. Suppose this value is yes. Consider. I can write like this also. See. Why? Because the sum is same. You can write increasing or decreasing, whatever it may be, but product value is same. So like that here also I'm writing S is equal to reverse process. N plus N minus 1, N minus 2, and so on, 2 plus 1. Now what I'm doing, see, add them, adding corresponding terms. S plus S, yes. 1 plus N is how much? N plus 1. 2 plus N minus 1, N plus 1. 3 plus N minus 2 is how much? N plus 1 and so on. That is the answer. See carefully. So in this case, how many terms are there? There are n terms are there. Now 2s is equal to, anyone tell me here, n plus 1 repeated how many times? 1,
N times.
2, 3, 4 and so on n times. You should multiply them. Once again repeating, see. Suppose 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. How to write? 3 times 4. Because 3 is repeated 4 times. Like that here also. N plus 1 repeated n times. Now I need yes only. What to do here? Dividing with 2 on both sides. N into n plus 1 by 2. Therefore, what is the answer? S means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on. N is equal n into n plus 1 by 2. That is the answer. Write down. Triple step formula. After completing, just raise your hand. Okay, good. Three members completed. Good, good. Still writing. Okay, hands down. Now, based on this one, I am giving one question. Tell me anyone. What is the answer? Fine. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on. 100. What is the answer? Yes.
5050, sir.
Yes. With the help of previous question, see this one. Using this formula, you can solve. What is that? See, we know that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on. What is the answer? N into n plus 1 by. Here, n is how much? 100. Therefore, 100 into 100 plus 1 by 100 into 101 by 2. So 50 into 101. That is 5050. Now, this type of model, see how they are asking in competitive exams. I'm giving. Now, anyone challenge? 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus and so on. 50. What is the answer, anyone? Anyone?
Sir, wait, sir.
Okay. Okay. I'll try. Good.
1300, sir.
Maybe. Yeah. Who is responding? That one? See. From this case, what is the common factor?
Sir, the answer is 650, sir.
Okay. I don't know. Just I give it. Let me see. 50 means 2 to 25. What is the common factor from each and every term? See, dear students. Who is the common factor? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on. 25. So here 2 into. This is what sum of the first 25 natural numbers. What is the formula here? This one. Here n is how much? That means 25 into 25 plus 1 by 2. How much coming here? 2 into 25 into 26 by. So 2 to cancel. 25 into 26. That is the answer. How much?
$650, sir.
Yes. Be careful. Okay, now. Once again, see, 2 is the common factor. They're remaining what here? And one more thing, don't add 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus like this only. Okay, now. Sum of the first n natural numbers concept. Okay. Right on. And give the conclusion. Okay, keep in box every time. Therefore, 2 plus 4 plus so on 50 is equal to 650. Next question, see. Now see, I think Sarad's concept, I think all of you know, I think, sir. Am I correct? Means suppose they are asking like this one, see, for root 2 plus 1, root 3 plus root 2, root 4 plus root 3, and so on. Root 100 plus root 99 is equal to how much? First, I will take small example, then we can solve this question. Dear students, see, I'm explaining. If they are asking like that, for example, root 5 plus root 4, generally, every time, someone is disturbing. Hello? In classroom, disturb చేసి See, rationalizing 1 by root 5 plus root 4. Rationalizing the here, rationalizing denominator. Rationalizing the denominator means what? See carefully. Root 5 plus root 4 into here plus is that means you can change the sign. Means root 5 minus root 4. Divide with and multiply with same number. That is the meaning. Rationalizing the denominator means just change the sign, then multiply with same number. Now, say numerator 1 into this number, root 5 minus root 4. But denominator, what you are observing? This is a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula?
minus b square.
Fantastic. A plus b into a minus b. That is a square minus b square. So
A square minus b square.
root 5 whole square minus root 4 whole square. What is the next step? Root 5
The
minus
square and root cancels.
yeah, square and square root cancel. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is how much?
1.
So this value is how much? Root 5 minus root 4. So like that, yeah. How to write this one? See, 1 by root 2 plus 1. How to write this one? Rationalizing the denominator. What is the format? Like that. Plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus root 2 into rationalizing. Like that. So similarly, continue this process. What the last time here? See, 1 by root over 100 plus root over 99 into root over 100 minus root over 99 by that is the answer. Tell me. 1 into root 2 minus 1 by a plus b into a minus b, how much? A square minus b square.
A square minus b square.
Root 3 minus root 2 by a plus b into a minus b. Continue this process. Root over 100 minus root over 99 by 100 minus by 1 by 1 by 1. So what you are observing here? LCM is fixed. Then what you are observing? Minus root 2 plus root 2 minus root 3 plus root 3 plus root 99. So means what here each and every term is cancelled except this number.
100.
Number root over 100 minus 1. Root over 100 is how much? 10
10, sir.
is equal to 9. So this answer is how much? 9.
9.
Right on. So same model I'm giving. Try once again. That's some here I'm taking say example. So these type of models are very, very important. Okay, I'll give one more model. Try. So my request is listen to all the classes. At least we can get at least 1%. Sure. Okay, no? Regularity is very, very important. So this meeting is going to end within 1 minute. You can rejoin again. You know, actually Zoom meeting they are providing only up to 40 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Don't worry, you can rejoin.
Okay, sir.
Completed. Shall I proceed for the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, generally, I'm giving a question. Root of 50. What is the answer? How to simplify? Root 50 means how to write?
2
Shall I
into 2. 20.
Root 2 into root 25. Shall I write?
Yes, sir.
Root 25 is how much? What is the value of root 25?
5.
5, sir.
So that is
5,
5.
sir.
So root 50 value is how much? We can write 5 root 2. Like that. See? Okay, now I'm giving more questions. 1 by root 50 minus root 48. Okay. Just a minute. How to write this one? See carefully. Rationalize. Suppose how to write this one? Rationalizing. What to do? Minus is there means plus root 48 by